National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in central South Carolina, Lancaster County in central South Carolina, western Lee County in central South Carolina, eastern Newberry County in central South Carolina, northern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, west central Clarendon County in central South Carolina, Lexington County in central South Carolina, Sumter County in central South Carolina, northeastern Aiken County in central South Carolina, Richland County in central South Carolina, Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Chester State Park to near Jenkinsville to 13 miles southwest of Red Bank, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Little Mountain, Dalville, Cedar Grove Fire Station, Lebanon Fire Station, Manville, Belltown Fire Station, Summit, Community of Almond Glen, Mitford, Faith Christian School, Casey Riverwalk, Columbia International University, Midway Elementary School, Pine Ridge, Camp Kinnard, Heath Springs, Watery River Correctional Institution, St. Maria Fire Station, Woodrow, and Camden. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 36 and 116. Interstate 26 between mile markers 80 and 126. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 51. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Fairfield, Lancaster. The National Weather Service